Yeah, just in case you ever get a hook buried in the side of your thumb like this. This is what we're gonna do. I've got this line tied to this hook. All right, Tim, turn your thumb up where the hook is on top of your thumb. Press down where the shank of this hook is. Don't touch the hook.
Don't get my arm after you get it out.
Don't touch the hook. I want you to push down right there toward his thumb. Now, Tim, you can't move.
I know.
I want you to count to 3, Chad, and I want you to press as hard as you can. On 3, it'll be 1, 2, press, okay?
Like as hard as I can?
Now!
Do what?
All right.
Yeah, like as hard as you can, just straight toward his thumb. You know what I mean?
All right.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, look, you already got it.
That's how it's
It don't
done.
even hurt.
Hand sanitizer.